Hi everybody, Alex Explorer here from Expert Forex, and in this video I asked the question, can you make $1 million by copying other traders? And the answer is yes, you can, and we're going to see evidence in live trading accounts that is very possible. Now this all started in March this year, where I published this video where I said copy 1K to $1 million, and I give full instructions on how to actually do that. So this was very well received. A lot of traders went for this challenge. A lot of traders are still busy with this challenge, and I myself joined this challenge with live accounts, and that is what we're going to be looking at today. But before we do that, trading to $1 million is not a new thing. I have here 29 videos discussing this topic, showing you live where I trade to $1 million in a video, so you can actually see it happening. There are many of our EAs that have the potential for this to happen, and I have here, for instance, a $1 million plan. It's been viewed by 59,000 viewers. I get emails coming in regularly from traders that have watched that particular video and thanking me for the concepts that I've introduced in those videos. So $1 million trading has been a topic for Expert Forex for many years. You can see some of these videos go back quite a few years. There are some recent ones, and this one, for instance, is one of them that shows the progress to $1 million. So I urge you to go and have a look at this playlist. There are some really interesting videos that will open your mind to what is possible with leveraged Forex trading. Now, if it wasn't for leverage, we wouldn't be able to do this, but it is just the most wonderful thing. Brokers provide leverage when we trade the Forex market, and that allows us to really perform pretty well. So let's have a look at this one live account. I've got a couple of live accounts. I'll show you a few during this video, but here's one, for instance, that has gone to $50,000. The equity is up to $50,000. It is a real account, and unfortunately the broker archives each month's trading, so you can only see blocks there, but there's the current month's trading, and we're going to have a look at this particular account and maybe another one to give you an idea of how you trade small amounts of money to $1 million. Now, the concept is you don't need to do the trading, because what you do is you simply link your account to that of a very successful trader. And the opportunity is provided through our Link to Success service, where you can link your account to successful proven robot strategies, and therefore you don't do a thing, you let the robot trader trade for you. Very successful service. It's been going for over a year now and very well accepted. We are expanding it day by day with more strategies and lower account sizes. So let's go and have a look at what you can link to. And here we are, the top traded accounts you can link to. And here they are, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort them in monthly average account count. Now this is monthly, so in other words, this is what the account is producing on a monthly basis. So we go there, we click on the sort button, we go largest to smallest, because that's what we want to see. And here we can see the performance of some amazing accounts. Some of them have very short lifespans, so they are less reliable. The shorter the lifespan, the less reliable they are. And then we go down here and we see some that are 450 days old. Now, obviously, if you've been producing 40% a month over 450 days, then you have more credibility than somebody who's then some account that has produced, let's say, 80% over only 30 days. So that account age plays a big role. And what I want to show you here is the account that I'm following, and that is the Link 12. It is the most popular account. It has produced 27% a month. And let's go and see, let's have a look at the most popular ones, and you can see these returns are absolutely phenomenal that you can link to. So investors linked, just see that these are all new accounts, so they've got no investors yet, so we just sort there, and you can see Link 12 is the most popular one, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. And it has the most investors linked to that one, no doubt. They find the lower risk, medium risk, 30% a month quite an attractive investment. Now, if you want to see more details about that link, you just click on that link and it will take you to FX Blue, and you can have a closer look at the statistics of that particular account. Okay, so let's move on and we'll go and look at the actual live accounts. Okay, and here I am on one of my platforms, my MetaTrader platforms, and this is how the linking service works. You add a trade receiver robot to a chart. It needn't be the chart that you're actually trading, and you then tell it what you want to do. And I'm going to just show you how that works. And yeah, I've told it, hey, I want to link to Link 12. It's going to be trading the Aussie yen, and I'm at the moment using a lot factor of 5.5. Now I'm going to explain how that works. If you use a lot factor of 1, that means that you will copy the signal provider's signals exactly as the signal provider is giving them. So it is a one-on-one relationship. So because this account's balance has gone up so much, I am increasing my lot sizing tremendously, and I'm actually at 5.5, because basically the Link 12 assumes a balance of $10,000. I have a balance of $50,000, so that means I can go 5 times the lot sizing that the signal provider is providing. So there's my 5 times there, and I'm putting 0.5 in because this is a lower risk. In fact, I'm going to change that now to 6. So what that means, I'm going to make 6 times the profits of Link 12 in the next trading period. And that is how simple it is. You simply tell it which one you want to link to. You tell it how much risk you want to expose yourself to based on your account size, and you just click on OK. And what then happens, it sends through the entry transactions. It copies all the entry transactions from the supplier, from the signal supplier, and then it will also close those transactions when it is required. Now, as you can see, this is a live account. It's FBS. It's a real live account on the server number 3. The balance on this account, let's get the balance out. And the balance on this account is $51,000. So that is why I'm using that lot sizing so effectively. Now, I am using a bonus that the broker is providing. So in other words, when I open my account, I opened the account with $10,000. The broker then said, okay, well, I'll double your deposit, and he gave me a bonus of $10,000, and that's what's pushed my equity up to $51,000. And that is why I'm now trading 5 times the lot size that the single provider is providing, and that number 2.2 in the lot size is in fact 5 times what the signal provider is trading. And there you can see the gains that are being made. So it's as simple as that. You just load a receiver onto your account, copy the trades, tell it how much risk exposure you want to give it, and then you enjoy the benefits. Okay, so now we're looking at another account. This account is also a real account and functions on the same basis. There the received trades and there are the closed trades. And as you can see here, it is on the FBS real server number 3. And let's have a look at the settings for this particular one. So here the settings, you just tell it which link you want to link to, you give it the currency, and then you say the lot size. Now this one's lot sizing is wrong, so I'm going to increase it at the moment, and I will have a look at it at the moment. The equity on this account is $40,000. So firstly I need to go 40,000, 4 times the equity, because the signal providers always base their signals on $10,000 accounts, even if the account that they're trading has a very high balance, because linking customers can join at any time and they will assume a $10,000 account. Now I've increased it from 3 to 4. I also want to increase it a little bit more because it really is performing pretty well. And there we are. So now and that's how you make $1 million, is for every 5,000 that the equity goes up, I increase my lot size. I don't do it for every transaction. That's really inefficient. You just do it every now and then. So in 2 weeks time, I'll have a look. Oh, it's gone up 1,000, and I'll increase my lot size. And that's how the march to $1 million works. You simply increase your lot sizing on successful traded accounts. Okay, so there we are. I can say okay, and then I just want to check the balance on this account, and we have a look here. There it is, $40,000 is my equity, so that is why I have now lot sized firstly to 4, and then I put another half in because I have confidence in this particular EA. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've learned something about the methodology of increasing your lot sizing to reach your $1 million goal. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing live accounts actually trading this methodology, and accounts that are not even trading accounts, they just copying accounts. They're just copying other successful accounts. Now, I will be leaving links of the copying service in the description of the video, as well as in the commentary of the video. I will also leave some links about the actual EAs that are being used by this linking service, because you have 2 choices. You can either do your own trading, or you can just simply link to the linking service, and that will help you in your march to $1 million. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.